Let's talk about something most everyday investors never actually sit down and compare. The S&P 500 is the benchmark. It's what financial advisors point to. It's what most Americans put their retirement money into through index funds and 401ks. And for good reason. It's reliable, it's diversified. And historically, it delivers solid returns over time. But here's the question nobody is asking out loud. What if a small number of AI stocks have been absolutely crushing the S&P 500 for the past 3 years? And what if the numbers prove it? Not opinions, not predictions, actual real returns. That's exactly what we're breaking down today. Real numbers, real comparisons, no hype. Before we dive in, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now let's get into it. First, let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 tracks 500 of the largest companies in the United States. It's the most widely followed stock market index in the world. In 2023, the S&P 500 returned 24%. In 2024, it returned 23%. In 2025, it returned around 16%. Those are genuinely strong numbers. Most professional fund managers can't even beat those returns consistently. If you had invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund at the start of 2023, you'd have roughly $17,000 by the end of 2025. That's real, meaningful growth. And for most investors, it's a perfectly solid strategy. But now let's look at what AI stocks were doing during those exact same 3 years. Let's start with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the company behind the chips that power artificial intelligence. Every major AI system, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Meta's AI, runs on NVIDIA hardware. In 2023, NVIDIA stock returned 239%. Let that sink in for a moment. While the S&P 500 returned 24% that year, NVIDIA returned 239%. In 2024, NVIDIA returned another 171%. In 2025, it returned around 39%. If you had invested $10,000 in NVIDIA at the start of 2023, you'd have over $50,000 by the end of 2025. That's the same starting amount. Completely different outcome. Now let's look at Palantir. Palantir is an AI software company that works with governments and major corporations to analyze data and make faster decisions. In 2023, Palantir stock returned 167%. In 2024, Palantir returned 340%. That made it the single best performing stock in the entire S&P 500 in 2024. Not the best AI stock, the best stock in the whole index. Period. Let's break down what that actually looked like in real dollars. If you had invested $10,000 in Palantir at the start of 2023, by the end of that year, you'd have $26,700. You stay invested into 2024, the year Palantir became the #1 stock in the entire S&P 500, and that $26,700 grows to over $117,000. Now here's the part most channels won't show you. In 2025, Palantir pulled back. After that historic 2024 run, the stock dropped around 23%. That $117,000 comes back down to roughly $90,000, still 9 times your original investment. But the drop was real, and it happened fast. That staircase tells the full story: explosive growth, a painful pullback, and still an extraordinary return for investors who held through both. So let's put these numbers side by side so you can see them clearly. S&P 500 in 2023, plus 24%. NVIDIA in 2023, plus 239%. Palantir in 2023, plus 167%. S&P 500 in 2024, plus 23%. NVIDIA in 2024, plus 171%. Palantir in 2024, plus 340%. The gap between the S&P 500 and these AI stocks over the past 2 years is not small. It's enormous. Now here's where we have to be completely honest with you, because this is where most channels skip the hard part. These returns came with serious risk attached. In 2022, the year before this AI boom, NVIDIA stock fell 50%. Palantir fell 64% that same year. That means investors who bought early and held through the pain eventually saw massive gains. But investors who panicked and sold in 2022 locked in massive losses. This is the reality of investing in high-growth AI stocks. The upside is extraordinary, but so is the downside risk when sentiment shifts. The S&P 500 only fell around 19% in 2022 and recovered much faster. So what does this actually mean for you as an investor? It means the S&P 500 remains one of the most reliable ways to grow wealth steadily over time with lower risk. But it also means that selective exposure to the right AI stocks, for investors who understand the risks and can handle the volatility, has historically produced returns the index simply cannot match. Some investors choose to hold both: a core position in S&P 500 index funds for stability and a smaller position in high-conviction AI stocks for growth potential. Neither approach is wrong. What's wrong is making any investment decision without fully understanding what you own and why. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Which approach makes more sense for you? Steady S&P 500 growth or high-risk, high-reward AI stocks? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this breakdown gave you value, subscribe for more weekly comparisons that cut through the noise and give you the real numbers. See you in the next one.